For lesson 4.3 reteach, we have remainder questions. It says read each scenario. Use the scenario to write questions that would have the given answers. So these are the given answers, and we have to write questions that this would be the answer to. Here's the problem. It says there are 52 students in the 4th grade class, or in the 4th grade. Each minivan can hold 6 students. The students are going on a field trip. Okay, so for this problem, we have 52 students, so this is the information we need to use. We have 52 students, and then each van can hold 6 students. So I'm going to see how many vans we would need. I'm going to take 52, because that's the total number of students. I'm going to divide, there's going to be 6 in each van. So how close can I get to 52 without going over? I know that 6 times 9 is 54, so that's too much. So I'm going to dial it back 1, and 8. 8 times 6 is 48. Then I can subtract that. 2 minus 8, can't do that. Borrow 1 from here, regroup. So that's one of these is 10 of these plus the 2 we already had. So 12 minus 8 would be 4, and 4 minus 4 is nothing. So we don't put anything there. There's no other numbers to bring down, so we are finished. So it would be 8 with a remainder of 4. Okay, so for the total number of buses, there would be 8 that are full. 6 times 8 would be 48 students that are taken care of, but then there's 4 more students, so we would need 9 vans. So this would be the answer to a question like, how many minivans will be full? Because there's going to be 8 that have 6 for 48 students. So that would be the kind of question that we would have for the answer to be 8. Now down here we have 9. So the answer for 9 would be how many minivans will be needed to hold all of the students. So 8 would be full, but that only takes care of 48 students. We would have 4 more that would also need a van. So that would mean that we would need 1 more van than 8, so 9. For the next one, 4, we have 4 here, that was our remainder. That's how many students would be in the extra van, the one that's not full. So a question for that answer would be, how many students will be in the minivan that is not full? All right, so I did this one for you. For you guys, I would like for you to do number 2. 6 friends are going on a hike. Becky made 64 ounces of trail mix. So we have an answer of 10 and 4/6. You would have to come up with a question that would be the answer to. 4, what would be the question that 4 would be the answer to? And then for number 3, why is it important to read division problems carefully before giving the answer? And you can put that in your own words. Now, if you would like to submit a video of how you worked any of these problems out, I would be glad to receive them and maybe possibly post them on Dojo later.